गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट। कैसे आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग ठीक होंगे। तो आज हम एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, रिगार्डिंग द कार्बन। कार्बन से रिलेटेड एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हमको पढ़ना है, दैट इज़ द टाइप्स ऑफ द कार्बन एटम। सो on the basis of the position of this carbon atom, the carbon atom are of generally they are of three types. Okay, so what are these three type of carbon atom? Number one is primary carbon atom, or we can also denote it as a 1 degree carbon atom. The other carbon atom is called as secondary carbon atom, or it is denoted as 2 degree carbon atom. And the third carbon atom is called as tertiary carbon atom, or it is denoted as 3 degree carbon atom. Now what are these what is the meaning of this primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atom? We will discuss this one by one. Number one, we'll discuss about the primary carbon atom, or we can call it as 1 degree carbon atom. So what is primary carbon atom or 1 degree carbon atom? So simply when there is only a single carbon atom which is not attached to any of the carbon atom is simply called as primary or 1 degree carbon atom. Or we can also say that, or if carbon atom is attached to only one carbon atom, then it will be called as primary carbon atom. We can take the simple example. For example, number 1, simply CH3 Br. This is one example. Here only one carbon atom is there. When this carbon atom is attached to 3 hydrogen and 1 bromine atom, so therefore this will be primary carbon atom. We can denote it as 1 degree carbon atom. Secondly, if we take the example, second example, that is CH3 CH2 Br. This is ethyl bromide. So if here there are 2 carbon atoms are there. One, this is CH3, another one here CH2. So this is first carbon, this is second carbon. If you see this first carbon atom, this carbon atom is directly attached to this carbon atom. So it, in another word, we can say that the first carbon atom is attached to the second carbon atom. So therefore this first carbon atom will be called a primary carbon atom. Okay, and if we see this second carbon atom, this second carbon atom is also attached to this first carbon atom. So this carbon atom is attached to this carbon atom, which is one carbon atom, and this carbon atom, it is attached to only one carbon atom. So here in this case both are the primary carbon atoms. So I think this primary carbon atom topic will be clear to you. Then we'll see the next carbon atom, that is secondary carbon atom or 2 degree carbon atom. So 2 degree, what is the 2 degree carbon atom? So 2 degree carbon atom, we can say that if there is a carbon atom, if carbon atom is attached to 2 different carbon atoms, then this carbon atom will be called as secondary carbon atom. For example, if we take the example, so we can take the example CH3 CHBr CH3. Here you can say you can see that there are 3 carbon atom. This is 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom. So if we see this carbon atom, so this carbon atom is attached to only this carbon atom. Okay, so therefore we can say that this is a primary carbon atom. And if you see this carbon atom it is also attached to only this carbon atom, so this will also be primary carbon atom. But if we see this middle carbon atom, so this carbon atom is attached to 2 different carbon atom. One is this one and another one is this one. So there are 2 different carbon atom. So that's why this carbon atom will be called a secondary carbon atom or 2-degree carbon atom. Well, let's take another example. Suppose this is first example, this is second example. So we can take another example, CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH2, CH3. Now here, look at here. So there are 4 different carbon atom, right? So if you see this carbon atom is directly attached to this carbon atom, therefore it is primary carbon atom or 1-degree carbon atom. If we see this carbon atom is directly attached to 2 different carbon atom, therefore it will be secondary carbon atom. If you see this carbon atom is also attached to 2 different carbon atom, therefore it will be secondary carbon atom. And this carbon atom is attached to only 1 carbon atom, therefore it is a primary carbon atom. So I hope you will understand this primary and secondary carbon atom. Now we'll see the tertiary carbon atom or 3-degree carbon atom. So similarly, if carbon atom is attached to, instead of 2 we can write 3 carbon atom, 3 different carbon atom, this will be called a tertiary carbon atom. Simply here we can take the example, like here if we use this formula, that is tertiary butyl bromide. So in tertiary butyl bromide you can see there are 4 different carbon atom. This carbon atom is attached to only this carbon atom, so therefore it is a primary carbon atom. No, this is also primary carbon atom. This also, it is also attached to this carbon atom, therefore it is also primary carbon atom. But this carbon atom is attached to 3 different carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, therefore it will be termed as, or it will be called as tertiary carbon atom. So this is another example of tertiary carbon atom. So I hope you will understand all this topic. Thank you very much.